Hey, it's Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic. What I want to do here today is show how to break a bead with a manual tire changer that is being stubborn. I was trying to break a bead with my manual tire changer and I had a problem. I tried different things. I should have actually filmed. No, I should have filmed what I was trying and doing, because I mean I was trying to put pieces of wood in, trying to stop it. I'll show you and I'll explain as I'm doing it, but I couldn't get anything to work. And finally, after about 2 hours of struggling with this tire, I decided to go on YouTube and see if I could find something on how to do it. And I did find a way that worked for me. So I'm going to show you that. In the description down below, or either up here if I can, I will put a link into the person's video. At the end of the video, I forgot to look it up. I'll put his channel's name on here because I wanted to give him some props. But I thought this was worth showing again because it worked so well for me. And if anybody else is struggling out there with the manual tire changer, this is sure to help them. So let's get started. So quite simply, what happens is when you set this tire up like this and you push pressure down, this wants to walk backwards. Your whatever you want to call it, anvil here, whatever, your wedge. So let's see what happens. This one will probably come off okay, but the other side probably won't. So let's see how this goes. Okay, do you see that? It didn't take it off because, watch again, we'll show it again here. See how that walked back on the tire and it won't stay there. Now, things I did was I put a piece of wood back behind here, which is all things that this other gentleman did on his channel too, but that won't do it. So what he shows is you take a piece out of a tire, cut it out of a tire, and you set this in here where your wedge is, like so. What this does, I'll try and get it in here. What this does is keeps the wedge from walking backwards. Yeah, I try to get it lined up here. Best if you get the tire down here a little bit. Alright, so let's see if this works now. There it is. Just putting that in there. Pop that tire just like that.